Hello friends, today we are going to be taking our quiz about what we've learned about dental health. So I'm going to read through the questions with you, answer them the best you can. So first make sure that you put your name and the date on your test. Today's date is 12-17-2020. Number 1, where do we go to take care of our teeth? We have A, the doctor, B, school, or C, the dentist. So make sure you pause the video until you have answered that question. Number 2, how many times should we brush our teeth a day? So you're going to write that number on the line. How many times should we brush our teeth every day? Number 3, what drink is the most unhealthy for our teeth? So make sure we look at that word, unhealthy. Which drink is actually the worst for our teeth and not good for our teeth at all? You're going to circle that picture. Number 4, what drink is the healthiest for our teeth? Which of these drinks is the best for our teeth? There is only one correct answer on numbers 3 and 4. Number 5, what is dental floss? So you'll look at these pictures and circle the one that you know is dental floss. Number 6, what is a cavity? Is it A, a tooth, B, a hole in your tooth, or C, when a tooth falls out? So circle the answer that you know is correct. Our last question is number 7. How can I keep my teeth healthy? So I want you to write a sentence telling me the ways you know you can keep your teeth healthy. Think of some things we have talked about of how to make sure our teeth are healthy. You're going to write your answer on the line. Use a complete sentence with a capital letter and a period. When you're done with the test, check your answers. Make sure your name and the date are on the top and turn it in.